Hello dear students, this is Vivek Vaibhav and you are watching video lecture on structure of the earth. Dear students, this is your third part of the video, and in the last two video we have learned about three layers of the earth. In that layer we have only completed two layers, that is crust and mantle, upper mantle and upper mantle and lower mantle, and moho discontinuity. All these phenomena you have already understood, dear students. So before I'm going to start this, just have a look: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. So today we are going to discuss only about core. Okay, look at this. Look at this animated image. Inner core and outer core. Above this, between outer core and mantle, we have Gutenberg discontinuity, dear students, and between outer core and inner core, the boundaries Lehman discontinuity. And above you can see between crust and mantle. You have already understood this, but for the sake of your knowledge, Mohave discontinuity or Moho discontinuity, you can say. Now, innermost layer of the earth, that is core. As you know that it is made up of ferrous and nickel, that means iron and nickel. So it is called Nephe. In short, you can say Nephe is. When it's come to talking about the volume of the entire earth, you can, if check this core, it is 15% of the earth, and it is 32.5% of earth's masses. Density, as you know that density of the layer of this earth between 9.5 to 14.5 gram per cubic centimeter. As you know that it is in the semi-liquid state. The outer core is in a liquid state, inner core in a solid state. Discontinuity between the upper core and the lower core is called, as you know that, Lehman discontinuity. And between mantle to core, we have Gutenberg discontinuity. Dear students, one more thing I want to put here before you all. What about temperature and pressure when you go inner part of the earth? So we are going to discuss this thing also. So look at first, you imagine all the things looking at this picture. So outer core is 2200 kilometer and inner core is 1278 kilometer. As I told you in the last two video, and do you know about mantle 2870 kilometer and crust we have almost 40 kilometer in our area. So you can also see in this picture, and biosphere is what? Surface between below the lower mantle is biosphere, and lower mantle is mesosphere, upper mantle is asthenosphere, and the crust is lithosphere. So you can define in the sphere all these part of the inner and outer part of the earth. Temperature, pressure, and densities of the entire interior earth. As you know that a rise in temperature with increase in the depth of observed in the mines and deep wells. If you go in the deep, you feel what? Increase in temperature. And these evidence along with the molten lava erupted from the earth's interior parts of the earth, you can easily know after that. Because in the lava, which is in the molten state, is definitely a high temperature. Different observation shows that increase of the temperature is not uniform from the surface towards the earth center. It is faster at some place and slower at other place. It is. In the beginning, this rate of increase of temperature at an average rate is 10 degrees Celsius and every 32 meter increases in the depth. Now, as you know that about pressure, so definitely like temperature increases, pressure is also increases from the surface towards the center. But above the surface of the earth and on the surface of the earth, it is totally different. As you learned, you might have learned this thing in class 7th or 8th. It is due to huge weight of overlying material like rocks. It is estimated that in deeper portion the pressure is tremendously high, which will be nearly 3 to 4 million times more than the pressure of the atmosphere at sea level. Can you believe it? 3 and 4 millions. So, at a high temperature, the material beneath will melt towards the center part of the earth. But due to heavy pressure, these molten material acquire properties of solid are probably in a plastic state. So, dear students, it is very true to say that the inner core is the part of solid state because of high pressure zone it is. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Dear students, in the next video lecture, we are going to deal another new chapter that is landforms of the earth. You know that we have different set of landscape like a mountain, plateau, plain area. So the beautiful side of the earth on the earth crust you observe each and every time in your area and whenever you visited in any place. So keep watching my video and stay tuned with us. Stay safe. Thank you, dear students.